Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will see how we could download and install Android Studio in Windows. We will create our first Android Studio project. We will activate Android developer option in our real mobile device and we will run the app. Before running Android Studio, you need Java installed. If not installed already, you could check my video how to install Java on Windows. I have given the link of the video in the top right I button and in description. To download Android Studio in your favorite browser, search Android Studio Download for Windows. The first option of developer.android.com. Download Android Studio and App Tools. Click this link. At the time of recording this video, Android Studio's latest version is Koala. If you download later, Android Studio version could be different. Click the button Download Android Studio. Accept terms and conditions and click Download Android Studio. Download has started. Size is 1.1 GB. After some time, download has completed. Double click the downloaded .exe file. Next, we could uncheck Android virtual device. It is required when you run your app in emulator. If you want, you could download it later also. With Android virtual device, required space is 3.6 GB and if uncheck it, the required space is 2.6 GB. I will uncheck it, then next. Installation location, I will keep it default. Next, install. Installation has completed. Next, keep Start Android Studio checked, then finish. You could click Send Usage Statistics to Google. No issues. I will click Don't Send. Next, here by default, Standard is selected. In Standard, download size would be bigger. In Custom, we could select the required download. I will choose Custom. Next, here only Android SDK and Android API are very important. Others you could download later also when required. Uncheck the others. Android SDK location, keep it default. Next, here I am getting the finish option because I have installed Android Studio before also in my laptop. But you will need to accept license agreement like this. Accept license agreement, then finish. Download has started. It will take some time. Download has completed after about 10 to 15 minutes. It depends on your internet speed. Finish. Now we will create our first Android Studio project. In the left hand side, projects is selected. New project. Empty views activity. Next. Give a name to the project. Language Kotlin. Minimum SDK, keep it default. You could change it if required. Finish. Because Android SDK platform 34 was not installed before, so it is downloading it by itself. In general, you will not see this at the time of creating a new project. When you will create another project, you will not see this. It is done. Click Finish. Gradual build takes some time, depend on your internet speed. Because it is first time, so it will take some time. In my case, it take around 15 minutes. To run the app in your Android mobile, you need to activate developer option first. Let's see how we could do it. For that, first we need to activate developer option in our Android mobile. To activate it, we will go to the settings, then about phone. After going to about phone, we need to tap on build number 7 times. When you are in about phone, the UI is different in different mobiles. In my Redmi Note 6 Pro phone, need to click MIUI version 7 times. After clicking 7 times, I am getting the message you are now a developer. Now we will go to the developer options. For that, we will click on additional settings, then developer options. We will make USB debugging on. On clicking the radio button, we will get a warning, accept the possible risk and click OK. Also need to switch on install via USB option. So our developer option is activated in mobile. Insert the USB cable in laptop's USB port and mobile like this. Select USB for file transfer in the pop-up. Now in Android Studio, beside Run App icon, we could see our mobile device name. I have connected my mobile with USB cable. After this, we need to click this Run button. After some time, app is installed in my mobile. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please give a like to the video. And to keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel. See you in another video. Till then, bye and take care.